Assam Gas Company Limited recruitment for different posts, that is management trainee and graduate engineer trainee. This is the official site of Assam Gas Company Limited. So as you can see here, this is official site and this is a careers page of Assam Gas Company Limited. There is a recruitment for management trainee and graduate engineer trainee for all the eligible candidates in different streams. So there is no fees for this, and there will be a written test, and we will see what are the details. If you just click here details, you will be notified with the advertisement, and online link will start from tomorrow, that is 26 February 2021. So if you are first to my channel, this is my YouTube channel Wi-Fi Study Karo. I request you all to see these latest job updates because you may not miss any other job updates, so you have a bit idea of what are the latest notifications regarding the job updates. So this is the official notification of Assam Gas Company Limited, which is recruiting the management trainee and graduate engineer trainee. So these are the start date, that is 26th of February, and the end date is 8th of March 2021. So the vacancies are like this: specification required, and for mechanical there are 2 posts, and the stipend during the training, that is 25,000, and the requisite qualification is first class bachelor degree, and the age criteria is 30 years. There are 2 posts. And for graduate engineer trainee instrumentation, the stipend, the same will be given, that is 25,000, and first class bachelor degree, that is BTech with 65% marks, and the age criteria, upper age criteria is 30 years and minimum age is 21 years. So there are 2 vacancies for instrumentation as well. For chemical, there is 1 post, and the same is the criteria. The bachelor degree in chemical is required to apply for the stream of with 65% marks, and stipend will be given 25,000 and per month during the training, that is 1 year. And graduate engineer trainee computer science, there are 2 posts, and the requisite qualification is BTech in computer science as well. And the stipend for management trainee, there are 5 posts. The stipend is 30,000 per month, and the requisite qualification for management trainee is a bachelor degree in, that is BTech with any discipline, and with 65% marks or above, and 2-year full-time MBA in any stream from the recognized institute, that is approved institute by AICTE or UGC. Again, the criteria is 30 years to apply for this post. So now the selection procedure given here is graduate engineer trainee as well as for management trainee. There will be written test which will be scheduled on later in the due course of time, and the qualified candidates in the written test will be in the ratio of 1:5. For example, there are 10 posts. 2 posts for 10 candidates will be called in order of merit, so it is in the ratio of 1:5, and there will be personal interview to be conducted by the interview board, and there will be a medical test for all the selected candidates to be conducted by the same company medical center, and the eligibility criteria is 65%, and whether if you have CGPA or OGPA, there should be a letter of a degree to be awarded, which is what is the CGPA to percentage equivalent to be adopted by the university. So institute should give the how much CGPA is equivalent to percentage. So this is compulsory. They are asking if you have CGPA criteria. The number of vacancies may differ, but the cutoff age for the eligibility is 1/2/2021. So final year cannot apply for this post because the cutoff age is 1/2/21. And candidates selected for GET and MT will undergo a period of 1 year training, and the age criteria, there is some relaxation of 5 years for SC/ST candidates, and the cutoff will be for qualification experience will be 1/2/21, and the reservation for SC/ST is 5 years, and for OBC there is 3 years relaxation in the age criteria. So application to be filled in the mode of online application, you need to visit the application, no sorry, you need to visit the site, and in these dates 26/2/21 to 8/3/21, this is how you need to apply for this exam. Thank you, have a great day.